Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm excited to talk to you about this camera here. This is from Menborn, and this is an HD Wi-Fi smart IP camera. It's the G12 model, 2K 4 megapixels camera. Now this is an outdoor camera or an indoor camera. We're going to set it up indoors here today, but first thing I want to do is show you everything that comes in the box. So take a look. Okay, so back to the box. We're going to open things up here, show you everything that it comes with. Our instruction manual or a user manual, which is great because it comes in 5 different languages. And this is going to have your installation, like what's in the box, your camera installation, your app setup so you can connect and watch remotely from wherever you are, as long as you've got an internet connection. You got your live view, and there's a bunch of settings. You can record with this as well. We'll get into that in a moment. Here is your power block. There's the mounting adapter. And then there is your camera, right? And it comes with the screen already protected. What I like here is, we can get a shot of this. It's a really long cable, right? So that you can, reach to your power very well. Okay, so we'll show you that as well. Now on the back here is a speaker because it's got a Siren mode in it, and then here, right there, this is where you'd put a TF or a memory card, I guess you'd say in there, so you can record directly onto the memory card as well. All right. That back in there. All right, and it's got zoom capability in on it, and you can control the motion left and right. It's also got its own motion sensor, and it's got a tracking mode on it. It's got a night mode on it, so and the night mode works very well, so you can get a clear shot of, if you're trying to protect your home from intruders or just see what's going on. Maybe you want to hook it outside your door. We're going to install this just the lobby way to our home on the inside so we can capture what's happening. So we're going to go over and do that now and show you how to install your new HD 2K camera. Okay, so we've got our installation bracket here, and we've got some of the accessories we're going to need. We're going to put this into the wall. Up here, we've created a couple of holes. You can use a drill, or we just used a hammer. And now we'll take this stuff and we're going to mount it and get our camera ready to go. Okay, now we've got our bracket installed. There's a couple spots on each side if you want to run your cable through the side so it's nice, neat, and tidy. We're just going to run it through this bottom slot right here. So now I'm going to take this. All right. And it just slides over like that. Okay. There is underneath, there's a couple of screw spots for you to permanently mount that on so it can't be taken off. But right now, we're going to just leave it, but we're going to take our power cable and we're going to go plug in the power. Okay, taking our power block, we're simply going to plug that in. Okay, and now we're going to give this just a moment to power up, and now I'll show you the camera and how to connect the app so you can start using your HD indoor-outdoor camera. Okay, so we're going to go into our user manual right now, and we can just scan the QR code there that will take us to the website that we need for downloading our app. Okay, so now we've got our SYMYNELEC app, and we can turn on our push notifications. We've already gone in and done this. We've connected. It was very easy to do. But we're going to turn the camera on now, and that should connect us. Okay, so here's our view of the camera. Now I'm going to take my thumb or my finger, and I can actually control this, right? And we'll go up and down. I'm just touching on my screen on my iPhone. This will also work on Android. Okay, so we're going to just have it on the door. You can see we've got the time and everything in there. And let's come over here just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now if I tap on this far right at the bottom there, you'll see we've got playback. We can add photos, change the theme color, putting it at private mode. But here we've got night mode, and when I tap on that smart mode, it decides on the lighting that it sees and decides whether it should be in night mode or infrared mode. You can change that there as well, as you can see. Motion tracking. So when it sees someone or something moving, it'll track it and follow along. And it's got this motion detection here, sound detection. And if you see somebody and you want to scare them away, we can turn the siren on. Okay, now we've stopped. So now if I go back here, you'll see it's in big screen, so we can turn it into landscape mode if we want it, right? And then back the other way. Whoops. We're recording right now, and this is recording right to my phone. And then I can, if I want to talk, hello, I'm going to give it that permission, I guess. Okay. So you can actually, it's not working because I'm talking on a microphone right now, but you can actually talk into your phone and it will come out the speaker on the camera. I just want to go back here. All right. So recording, motion detection, siren. There is a service if you want to save to the cloud. There's small fees for that. But at the end of the day, you can use this outdoors or indoors and give yourself some protection in your home. Thanks, everybody. Okay, so just give you an idea. You can see we've got our light on there as well, so that's great if you're using it outdoors. You'll still be able to get a nice clear, and it's got the motion tracking on it right now, so it's actually following me around. So if I come over here, it will come over there with me. All right, enjoy your new camera.